Welcome. In front of me is a WIKO View Go, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. So I'm going to quickly lock the device, and you can see I do have a pattern set, and I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know it. So hold power key and then select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. Power and volume up. Looks like we need to let it go immediately when you see the WIKO logo. At least let go of the power key. There we go. So as you can see, it is a little bit tricky. What I did was count to 6, and then I let go. You basically need to get it right before it shows a WIKO logo, but if you hold it too short, it won't turn on. If you hold it too long, it automatically reboots. So you just need to get it just perfect to actually boot into recovery mode. But once you do, you should see this mode right here. So from here, using volume keys to navigate, as you can see, volume up goes up and down goes down. You want to navigate in order to select wipe data factory reset, and then confirm it with power key. And let's select yes, and the process will begin. Now this part is fairly quick, as you can see it's already completed. So reboot system now will be selected by default, and all you need to do now is press power key to reboot the device. Now this will continue the process in the background, so just be patient. It will take a little bit longer for the device to turn back on, but once it does, we will then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.